Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all controls on your speaker Bogasing G4. You can play and pause a song by pressing play pause button. So I'm just press and I should play song. Again, let's make it. I should pause it, and if I press again, I play a song. Now, you can increase the volume by pressing plus button. So I'm just press, and as you can see, I increase the volume. And you can lower the volume by pressing minus button. So I'm just press, and I lower the volume. If you press and hold your plus button, you will play next track. Here we go, and if you press and hold your minus button, you will call previous track. Play, you will play previous track. Cool. Also, we have a power button to turn on or turn off your speaker. If you press 2 times your power button, you will enter into true wireless stereo mode, TWS. So 1, 2, and you can hear a voice prompt, so it means that we enter to this mode. Next, if you press just 1 time, you will be swapped between equalizer presets. So right here we have this LED light, we have a blue, it means that we are in 3D mode. And if I press again, I will swap to the red one, what means vocal. And the last time, it will be bass boost. And if I swapped 4th time, I will return to the first mode. Cool. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!